guys, do you like my hat? So there's a very bright light right here and it just makes this hat look white, but it's actually yellow. Isn't it wonderful? So I decided to bake a cake for 2 reasons. Reason number 1. Today, the day I am filming this, is my friend's birthday. Here's her Instagram if you were curious. You probably weren't, but if you were, it's right there. This is my Instagram. This is my dog's Instagram. Yeah, I could say many more Instagrams, but I'm not going to. So, Macy, get out of the kitchen. I'm making a boxed cake because it's easier. And the second thing I'm celebrating, I guess, hopefully by the time this video comes out, I will have 10,000 subscribers. And I didn't know what I was going to do for that video, so this is what you're getting. A birthday cake / subscriber cake. Cake. Crepe cake. My sister's looking at me very confused. Let's make a cake, because this is very difficult. Probably say I can't open a door properly. Now you're probably wondering, why? Why is the bottom of this box wet? Now you're probably wondering why I decided to pick this cake with white frosting. No reason. It's the only one we have. I can't get a downward view because I didn't bring a camera on this trip. I only brought my iPhone, so this is the quality in the video you are getting. You see why I have 10,000 subscribers? Neither do I. I feel like this is going to explode on my face because those cameras are stuff. Heat oven for shiny metal. I think that's what we're using. What are we using?
The oven.
Well, yeah, but I'm figuring out what kind. I don't want to make cupcakes. It's supposed to be a cake. Found it. Where's the batter on this? Is this shiny metal? I need to go to the bathroom. Don't worry, I washed my hands. $3.50. That like a fourth? Oh, whatever. This oil. 3. Whew, that was hard. What's a budget? Mom, what's a budget? Got it. It's a bun pan thing. By the way, Mom, I'm filming a video if you didn't catch on yet. Children, stop yelling outside! You're making my dog bark. That looks like all the limbs are out. I'd say it's fine. Something's wrong with our paper thing that doesn't make it stick, so I'm using spray. And no, I have seen many cooking shows, and this always fails. But I'll be just eat it out of the pan, worst case scenario. Gotta set a timer for 30 minutes and hope this thing doesn't stick or burn. You see, you looking at the cake? You waiting for it to come out? Do you want to eat the cake? Lacey, don't hide your shame. Do you want to eat the cake or not? Lacey, say hi to the 1 million subs. 1 million? No, 10,000. So let's check on the cake. Oh, that looks stuff. So I'm editing, and the ridiculous noise you're hearing is the fan that is above the oven or whatever. So I'm sorry about that, but that'll be going on for quite a bit now. So, yeah, enjoy that. Thanks for 10,000 subs. So let's test it, shall we? All clear, all good. So I'm going to open this because I know I don't need it yet technically, but like, this is very important. That noise is the thingy. So I'm gonna put some of these in here so it makes it easier to frost, because I've seen professionals do it and they seem to know what they're doing because they're professionals. Oopsie, I left this frosting in here, but I guess it's mine. Oh, look, it all mysteriously disappeared.
Wow.
So now the cake is cool-ish. I'm not gonna wait any longer. And I put this in here so it'd be easier. Supposedly I just see fancy, good drawing, baking people do it like this. Beautiful. Lacey, stop barking. I'm trying to show my masterpiece. So this is for you guys and for Jaden. But, I mean, Jaden can't really eat it. And you guys can't eat it. But it's for you. Yeah. Lacey, be quiet. So I finished frosting it. I think it looks great. So we don't have candles. Oh, wow. This lighting is just great, guys. So we don't have candles. But what I do have is noodles. Happy birthday to Jaden.
You're putting raw noodles on a cake.
It doesn't matter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaden. Put like more of them and them on fire. Can I lick a raw noodle? Is that cooking? You can eat a raw noodle? No, not the ramen. Now time to cut off a piece of my beautiful cake. Oh, it didn't stick. See, those cooking shows lie.
Wait, did you not spray it?
Yeah, I did spray it, but that's it. Pretty good cake.
I want a piece.
Happy birthday, dear subscribers. Happy birthday to you.